Wagwan speak my mind family, wagwan. Me arm with artilleries and a stone and buckle, but no duck, me supporter speak my mind family, no duck. Marcy a chose stone half, uno she a stone me, uno and Donna, uno duck. What's up speak my mind family, what's up? Before me get no further, I wanna know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. And remember, continue to support the backup channel because me broke. And me have to have 3, 4 and 5, 6 channel. At that them say and them have about 20. That all Facebook have to write them and I tell them say them take down some. So what you do? You broke. And I go stay broke because you no can mend plastic well, steel well, epoxy, nothing can mend no back. Remember the young entrepreneur college student link of our YouTube channel. Pin in the comment section. Live with Gabby and Chevy. Go ahead and hit the subscription and give her a subscription. Remember the cash app pin in the comment section. Anyway, people, enough of that because the video look like it a go long, so I want to prepare for it. Because the whole light mellow, the whole light nice, so I don't want to miss no part of it. Anyway, Marcia say me live in a capture land and me live on my family premises and my mama premises. And she gone right back to the whole time story how much my mama culture in England. Whoa, me harm with me artillery people. Them a receipt ya. A tree here and had now them throw down. And them not throw down now we say them protected from dirt, roach, rat or nothing at all. And people me receipt them clean, away from some of the paper them when no quality and them start change colour. But no roach shit no depend them. No roach egg no depend them. No rat piss no depend them. You don't know what kind of receipt this upon it a one whole bag of receipt people. 3 year old out of receipt people throw down. Not properly protected, and if you saw them cleaner than Marcia jaws them. People, a big construction receipt, them when me build my place people recently. My recent project, when me build my place, me add on for my place people. Wanna look for receipt, breeze are blow but wanna look for receipt, me run them down. Wanna look for receipt people. Look for receipt. Look for receipt. One amount of construction receipt. See them the people. Be a receipt. Over some $4 or $5 worth of receipt that people. Let me recently do something people. No look good. Look good. Yes, my people, man, see that stone half a uno. Man, see so uno a cuss a rush in the one house dress see the whole week. But man, see true. You're too hype and cockatoo, you have too much clothes in a one house dress for one whole week. And brag and boast so. And talk about you have how much in a one. Anyway, people who no fit dodge, man say search out the whole of the comment and claim to say people draw attention with our liar self. But people, this a video like look like it a go so long, so make me get in it and do the dissecting. So wanna listen up keenly because me outside down at the capture land. Yes, down at the capture land. Marcia, me are not the right person for you to play with Marcia. Because me will make you shame. I will carry out evidence out here. Although my people then beg me say don't come prove nothing to nobody. But this is one I'm going to prove the capture land to you. You see me just show you how much receipt, construction, hardware receipt, budget supply, tools hardware. But the next PW's choice hardware and construction. Yes, Marcia. I go and flap you in another video, yeah. I go and flap your capture land me depend. Alright. Land title me not have. Alright, Marcia. Start your thing, Marcia. We're ready.
My cousin was like, go read some comment over there. So I go up on one page and read some comment. And me just look at this pussy hole and I say, this little batty boy, a long time I not even see you. I don't even see you.
A long time you not see me, but a long time I not see my boyfriend Romy and CJ. Them are my boyfriend. A long time me not see them. Me not want to see you. You hear what you just call me? Those are my boyfriend I want to see. I long to see them.
Tell me and watch me. I mean no say me pussy you want.
Man say everything you say people want you. What is wrong with your anyway? Bear! Bear! Come here, Bear. Come, Bear. Come here. Come here. People me I gotta ask Bear a question.
So me see him over there chat me.
Go on the back to
So
his side.
me just address some issues. So him say how him see me na when me over by Woodland Village, me not show my house. Me show the whole of my house over Woodland Village.
Lie. You never give us a 360 yet. You show with spots. If you're in the kitchen like the last time when I cook a right so the camera up on the pot. We now see round the surrounding of the kitchen. If you show with cocoa play, we only can see which right which part cocoa there. We now see no 360. Unlike me show you here and me show you up so. Can't talk to me. Paparizing boy with ambition. Broke boy with ambition. Because if you broke have ambition, you will go through life because you know what you want.
When me in my room and my cat them a play, me show the whole of my room, dresser, clothes, band door, every fucking thing. Use an obituary.
I saw the last time then catch you with all of a dirty clothes them hang up on your door. Because if you didn't know say the camera there will show that wide view, you wouldn't do it. But true, you know normally show that wide view. You get caught with all of a junjo clothes them on the door hang up, where you just change off, hang up, change off, hang up, and probably tomorrow you go to take down piece and you put it on. Nasty. That's why roach and rat take you up.
Pussy ass liar boy. I can't tell you look. When me over Woodland Village, the whole of my living room shown. When me ready, me go in my dining room and show my table with how much food pan it and decoration.
You show just the top of the table. You don't show the surrounding with the table there. That's what I'm saying. No 360. Oh, not Ashanti, you know. I mean 360 degree turn with the camera. Not Ashanti, 360 degree turn.
You a fucking tell. I can't tell you look. Same over there talk about said when a lot about much months, 3-4 months now. Cause I know say I pay 8 to spend that. Him say when you look at my lips them stay bad.
You lip them bun up like you drink raw rum. When you turn over your lips up, bun up like you drink raw rum. A man you drink raw rum lip bun up so.
I want to them a sexy lip here. And also me come in a bathroom and him look at my hand. And the whole of my hand black and blue.
I never said black and blue. I said your hand look like when sitting black and blue because the way your hand bad color. You will love come body shame people with the big balls on your arm. Because it's a balls that on your arm, you know. And you love body shame people. I never say your hand black and blue like somebody beat you. I said it look like when somebody black and blue. Because your hand bad color.
Him see my hand them black and blue and me have
somebody will use so much expensive lotion and no hygiene.
Everybody with fat have a fatty tissue. Even mager people have a little fatty tissue.
And when you know that, so when you accuse other people about this and belly and fatting and this and fatting and that and hangover flap right here so and big knee, you never know. So everybody have them little something there. I don't know, everybody make the same way. Oh, but now your balls are show on your arm. Your balls are show on your arm now, you know, and your bad color skin.
You right this up under them armpit. Yes, me have it. What you need to do, you need to come take your mouth and suck out the fat and go give it to your blood clot daughter. And that you need to go do.
Romy could need a tin of feeding right now. What you fi do after you're done, you see since I could you get my daughter involved. You see when you're done see a period a week time and month time, you store it up in the freezer and choose a day to drive to North Carolina and go and give it to CJ and families. Make them have a proper meal. Make them think it's jello in ice cream cake coating. Yes man, carry hard that I give to CJ and family.
So me want to know which part by my hand you see black and blue. Which part by my hand you see blacky.
You never hear me come on social media yet, you know. I beg food or nothing to give my pitney, you know. I mean you come on social media, I beg to give your grand pitney. You can't talk to me. Look here. Me, people them say me fi stop show and show and show, you know. At what time of the day now? Because it's a subscriber draw me attention to this video, you know. It's 24 past 1 now. And when I get this video sent to my phone, it was like about 12:30 somewhere there, just before 12, after 12. I wake, me actually just wake up, you know. And if it's never for this video, hi, who need the road right now, you know, for show you how comfortable me is, you know. Look at Curly. Look at Curly. Me no come here come show white paper. Say government give me nothing. See it here? This is a water rate, Curly. Me no come here come show. Cause you say, one time in the video you say, me no have water like you because of free water you get. Cause me can't pay for water. Curly, this is a water rate, Curly. Look at it. It's a water rate, this Curly. A 2 water rate. Let's go, Curly. See it? You want something? You know, say, I make a few dollars off of your videos, but it's not your name, you know. It's my style and my creation. How I create when I am dissecting you as a clown. I make a few dollars because the people them like to watch me. But after making a few dollars off your videos, Curly, you know, so I really send you $200. Send me a name you want me send it into. I offer you this already, you know. Yes, I would send you $200. If you want 3, I send you 2. Yes, man. Remember next week YouTube will be paying next week, you know. So if it's even out of the YouTube money, me can take 300 or 200 and send you Curly. You deserve it, but not deserving it because you are the one that make me make it. Because the same video when me dissect, or the same video you put out, and you now make nothing off of it, and your name, your content as well you say, and you now make nothing. So it's not about you. It's about my creation and the drama that I bring to dissecting you as a clown. But I'm still willing to give you a $300. I said 2, but if you said 3, I give you 3. Call it you're the big deal, so you bargain for it.
The only thing black is your dirty, rusty, parasite dick we have under your foot. And that's the only thing black.
Man say you're weak.
And your stinking ugly self at that black.
The video you're weak.
I mean, I know which part you ever see.
I think the video the iPad and this when we get it on here say, oh, she have gone turbo.
And me have
my lovely supporter that sent me this video.
Armpit or whatever. Yes, of course.
All this she have talked it already. You might not know. She have talked this already. I address all this she are talking about.
Just like your dirty girl.
But thank you for the support. Continue to support. But I go and deal with her same way.
The big boss underneath it. And that if you go look attention, look, I'm going to gain attention a long time, I'm going to count you. The only thing left is for you.
Them say January are the hot year, you know, them hot month, you know, them don't know what go on, you know. Every minute there's a different clash here, clash there, review. In the entertainment sector, outside the entertainment, everywhere you go is a new clash. So probably true you realize, say, you know, make no views on what there. So, me and latest was the 2 where, you know, did I give you some views. So you go so boom at latest what there. You figure more or less say it's not enough. So you come at me now. Okay. About 4 months now you're not giving me no lookings. If 4 months now you're not giving me no lookings. What that say? That not stop me from make $1 off of YouTube. That not stop me from make video. You know, say every day I make a video. You know, see when you stop trend, me no look upon you. So if I hear a name for make me make $1 off of YouTube, I can find content and make content. All them time the way you drop off of trending and see other people are trending and fight your way back in. And when I did that do, I did sit down and wait for you to come back. You know, see video did still put out, video still get views, video still make it 1 cent and 2 cents. Okay.
Push up your let me tell you already now. Use a pad and another woman the pussy. That is what you is. You're a pussy watcher. That's all you is.
That lady used that sanitary napkin that you just called a while ago. But sanitary napkin can't help you. That lady used sanitary napkin. That's what she's supposed to use. But you can't use that because that can't help you. Because you come like one boss me and you want a commission if you need some little old clothes. You need to take some of your old clothes where you have like this and fold it properly. Yes man, fold it properly and bung up underneath the like when them a bung pipe. Because you come like one boss water main that supply one whole community or one whole district, and you know when water main bus how it go. So sanitary napkin can help you. A sitting like this you want, or probably a nice 12-inch sponge so it can absorb the amount of liquid that is running from you. That's what you want. Alright.
Buddy. Is nobody. If me no shit in a yam. Every single day come from
Beer just tell you say moon yam fry you.
You
And it's
can't
a dog
watch me.
that.
You're obsessed with me. Anybody obsessed, nobody you're obsessed. You can't stop me. So me say, any
You see funny you know. Just funny how it is. Just look how this woman insert herself in the woman vocation. The woman when I look upon you, the woman when they have not a smell for smell you all time you think. And you are going to say people obsessed with you. So how will you do with that the woman then? I know obsessed you obsessed then. I don't want to do too much chatting because I want to belly out her gut.
pay for.
And the video go long if
business.
I chat too much.
Don't worry about me and what me I pay for. Don't worry about nothing. I mean, I worry about you. I mean, about you. I don't care if your name blood clot dog shit.
That's
I don't
how you
care if you
nasty.
sleep in a blood clot river snap dumpster. Or sewer pipe. I don't give a shit where you want to sleep. As long as me nice and comfortable, your blood clot can't go in nowhere. You can't go in no fucking hotel in Jamaica. You can't go nowhere. The only thing you can go in that team of back road, you can't go in and go fuck one girl. You have to go in a piece of old car. So if you can't,
You so know. You better go clear up the $1,000 where you owe the city of Connecticut. Because them coming for the vehicle. And hell broke loose when you lose that the vehicle, you know. Because stuck, your name gets stuck. You understand? Stuck, your name must get stuck. If you make the city come for that the vehicle for the $1,000 where you owe them. Alright?
afford it, don't come chat shit to nobody years old.
Yeah,
My life
my
is
piece
not
of
your
old
life,
vehicle.
not none of your fucking dirty, stinking pussy supporters. Them way up over your page.
If you don't hear me move the phone,
just
I
simple
just
as
try
that.
cut out some hard slackness because I don't want no problem with YouTube with that video. Yeah.
I mean, open a phone. I don't know, no. I don't know, no. When you come on social media.
So how you up in a woman life, so? You watch her hotel room, you watching money. As a matter of fact, she go and sell it all. So make me tap me chatting.
Yeah, come over my fucking page and watch me. You know, look at dirty, worried bitch ass girl. You can't chat nobody. You can't do what me do. Me and is not the same.
Nobody want. Nobody would want to do what you do. Anybody want to do what you want to do is worse off than you. Because after seeing how you are living, where you're coming from to where you're at now, and want to live like you, them would have passed worthless. So them would have worse than you.
No phone right now, I itch up and down my blood clot.
Better you didn't do that.
Sister, when don't even have a proper place. A 2 fucking bed me having this pussy clot. And I'm me alone in this.
2 bed that you can't carry none. When you're leaving, are your time expired? Are your money run out? 2 bed. I have 2 bed. Me have the royal family. King and queen. The king cost me. Originally it was about 480,000 for the complete bed. But because of the bedded and the bed foot, the foot them with them use make it was so common. I've been seeing it all over. I decided to change it. So I do some research and find some, customized ones. And recommend I get that type of, and it run me over nearly 570, almost 100,000 extra to get that customized foot. So me have the royal family, me have king and me have queen, and if me fi move out of my yard tomorrow morning, me can carry it with me. And if me fi move out of the little, cowboy butchery, me can't move out with the queen. When you left there, so you can't move out with them there? No.
Someone I'll write down same place in America and sleep on blood clot sponge ground. I in a family in a blood clot couch and comfortable. In a one little blood clot place.
You go wish everybody live
And we
like
want
you know,
chat.
careless, dirty,
Fuck my
nasty
ears out.
life.
But I can't chat about it. If I don't want to get a place, I don't want to get no place.
Non-ambitious,
Push me.
careless.
Come take me up and carry me things are going to one place now. Pussy old boy and dirty rascal, dirty followers them over there. Take me up and carry me go put me in one place. Go and go get it. You make sure say when you make sure say any blood clot place you give me make sure say it costs $2,000. And make sure say in one blood clot nice white.
$2,000 you cheap man. Where?
Because as long as God blood bread in me blood clot man say I live in no black neighborhood. So if you come and come put me in it.
Our next excuse, you know. Oh, me not living in a black neighborhood. And I will, as long as they are not living into no black neighborhood. Excuse that she are using, you know, because you know it is hard for her to go and live into a white neighborhood. So the longer she stay on the road, she have the excuse is because she don't want to live in any black neighborhood because there is so much place in black neighborhood that she could have get. But she don't want it. The white neighborhood don't want you. Your reputation is bad. Right now, I don't want to expose nobody at all, none of my genuine supporters. You understand? Because I could have I can expose some things right now, you know. I don't even want to play the lady voice because people might, you know, you might think people don't know people's voice or whatsoever, might catch people's voice. But I could play a little piece of voice note here. And remember now, me not jump to hearsay and run to hearsay and take hearsay. Me have to know say this genuine by getting proof. But I'm not going to play it. Marcia, I'm just going to say this to you, speak my mind family. Marcia time at the hotel, the Marriott, is short. Marcia time at the Marriott is short. Remember me, speak my mind, telling her that. I did say I want she live out until the end of this month. And if she do that, she great. But it not look like it might happen. Our time at the Marriott is short. It going to need a miracle for she to get some money to hang on there. And all this, you know, I make a shut no mouth. I don't want to give her too much height, you know. But Marcia, majority of people know you cannot get nowhere because already they're against your name. That is one. Two, people afraid for co-sign because nobody now mash up them good credit and them good name. For you, we mash up your own more than one time like a old car. Marcia, I can talk a lot of things. Marcia, I can play a lot of things. But I'm going to be confidential. Where, you understand? So I'm not going to do it. Marcia, relax yourself. Me nah no Jonah fly over your head, you know. You know what me have? People that right to your source, so. Not no Joan. People that right to your source, so. And me not talk about yes, and carry go bring come. Alright.
You don't have no place for bring up that argument there. The dirty pussy old boy.
Before me go no further, make an address. Cause you hear she say, bring up the argument there. Dirty, nasty, slimy, go, Kimar Strat, Kimnar Strat. We're in our comment about, yes, still living in their mother's home and troubling. At the go room you live in a, which part you live? You don't have a place to go home. And go into America here or any foreign country is even a better job than in Jamaica. Because you get a lot of tips. More than even in Jamaica, because them say Jamaica man them mean. And you still living at the go place? Nasty Kinar Strat.
have no for himself and a chat people. Him fucking mama. Him fucking thief in shoplift mama. Blood clot how say I live in a.
Me no live nowhere for myself. Thief in mama whole story that you have no proof of it. But leave it right there where you want to have it there. But your son CJ no walk on thief, credit card scam, all kind of scam and thief, all shoplifting. You understand? And him is also a car thief. And that's why every minute him running problem with the law and you come talk about car like this, car like that. How can a man running a problem with the law every day for a broke light on your car? And every 2 out of every week, 2 out of every 7 days for the week, you get stopped for the same thing. And you not change it. You have to come tell the people them say your son a car thief. And that's why every time police see him, he's been a suspect. So them have to check him. It's not just a credit card. There's a lot more. Me tell you, people, but I true me no like the ears say carry go bring come. Me love come talk with uno say and dissect with uno say Marcia. Anyway, continue talk.
Don't have deported blood clot dirty boy.
Deported again. See a man who never travel yet.
Blood clot bulldog. You see black and blue on my hand?
50 a day holding up people and watch all when me bush up back. All when me bush up back, Marcia no look like me. All when me push up back and me hear one cool Marcia no look younger me and me younger Marcia. The only way me no younger Marcia. Unless she are really 63. But me look younger Marcia. And me whole Marcia.
When you see me going to bathroom go bed, you don't see your fucking can't see. You don't need to if you got a doctor get one blood clot, new glasses, bitch ass boy.
You need to go down a fish ground, go get a new pair of eyes. And that you need. And you don't need no glasses. Glasses can't help you, Marcia. You need to go down a fish ground, go get 2 new barracuda eye. And change the 2 where you have. You talk about glasses, I can't see without my glasses. This is what I can do because the phone mash up my eye. And it's not just me alone. A whole heap of we had this mash way up. The phone. Oh.
You see that you need to do?
And watch ya. With my glass on, look. Look how I look my people with my glass on. With my glass off, look how I look. When you see me, my eye turn so. And when you see me, I look straight too now, my eye around there so. And my eye around there so. Eh? Look. Look. When them take off them glasses, I saw them stay, you know. I strain them eye, I strain for look round here, so you know, after them head straight, you know. Then eye I strain for look in front of them. Because around there, so there. So the whole of the muscles in the eye is strained. If them look so, they want strain and them head straight. Look at me. Without my glass. Look if you don't see no difference. And look when I put on my glass if you don't see no difference. This only helped me to read fine letters. And then now, because, as them say, once you start judge glasses, it's like you nobody want to take it off. So, instead of me I take it off and I put it on for read, it's like it just come accustomed to me just wearing it. It's not like me can't do without it. When me a drive at night, me no need this, you know. And when me a drive at night, me not have to squinch up no eye so when no bright light are shining on my face. So me no have no eye problem. Okay.
You necessarily need to go get one blood clot glass.
Me can't get one. Or me can't go for Miss Phoenix go beg her one. Me can't go for Miss Phoenix. Miss Phoenix have place a town now. Yeah. And where the plaza name again pan Constant Spring Road, I travel there so regular. Me can go up there and beg Miss Phoenix one glass and tell her say my name Planka. Yeah, and me know Miss Phoenix is so kind, so she will give me a glass. And like you, she not have no eye figure you. You have to go down a fish ground. You get 2 barracuda eye for put in.
I'm see black and blue hand.
I never tell you say your hand black and blue.
Right, so you see black and blue.
Your hand bad color. Bad
it.
color, like when somebody black and blue.
Me have it. Come suck it out with your mouth.
And CJ is there. CJ's there and all those mentally ill men that you're taking up from on the street to give you comfort. And the homeless people them where you take up and the drugs addict them. They're there to do all the sucking for you. But I would advise them, if they're going to do that, do it with a long straw. Please don't come close to you. Do it with a long straw if they're going to do it. Don't come close to you.
Use a pussy licking surgeon and a armpit licking surgeon when the pussy dirty. Which way you see black and blue on my hand? Where you see? Where you see black and blue on my hand? Eh? Where you see black and blue on my hand? Where you see black and blue on it? And a watch fat. Go look for your blood clot dirty pussy what's up.
Then when you watch other people and I criticize them, so what? You forgive critics and nobody must give critics to you. Who are you? Eh? Who are you? It's nothing but some form of carcass that decompose. That's how I see you. I don't see you as nothing else. More than some form of carcass that decompose. That's how I see you. And if you don't know what the meaning of decompose, just Google it, because you can't read enough if you go in the dictionary, which is the manual thing to find it. But at the same time, it's what you put in the computer you get out, you know. So you have to also know how to pronounce words. You can't go to Google and go tell them, say, Xenia, and expect to get Xenia. A Xenia you go get. So you can't go to Google and tell them, say, Daddy compose, and you go get the meaning for decompose. Okay, so you have to know how to pronounce also. So anyway, you take it, you're in a trouble. If I the dictionary, you're in a trouble. And if I put in the proper word, pronounce it the proper way to get the right thing from Google, you're in a problem. So you can't check somebody if you do it. Google decompose and tell you what's the meaning.
But as them over there chat.
Supporters are phone now, you know.
Big and swell up like a blood.
Supporters are phone time.
Go look on them, go tell themselves, go strip themselves and look on for them armpit and look. You show me all watch big Hollywood stars. A red walk carpet. I miss see them fat on them armpit. I wanna have fat on them armpit.
So you know see big Hollywood star walk with big belly and fat hang over on them side. And them knee big. You know see that? Oh. It's just a fat on your arm you see them with. True, your one has been identified to the public with your balls on your arm. Like you have a goat seed on your arm. Okay.
England. When I live now where England good. That England I walk like a blood clot slave. I can't afford it. And you live in a blood.
You just want everybody to be like you and your gingeration where you have. Your son a criminal America. Born American, being a criminal. Not even a different country him come from, you know. He's a born American. There is so many other things he could have done for an American. And he becomes a criminal. Eh? And you want me to be the same thing. Eh? You don't live nowhere. You want my mother to do the same thing. Don't live nowhere. Look at you too. You look company.
You have that for yourself. What you have?
More than you.
Every time when you look a pussy old boy, big batty boy at Jamaica, watch man. You see me come and show me house over Woodland Village one time, you get up and start show bed.
Glad you know.
We look up is a ugly bed.
And you never show nothing. The one where you have under custody by the sheriff where you can't get back. The little common bed where you see all about everywhere you go, you see people with them the type of bed there. Me have taste. And I always want the best. And once I can afford the best or save towards what I want, I'm going to do it. You understand? That's how it goes for me. I mean, I like everything with everybody, you know. If I see a shirt come down and I like it, and everybody in it, if I like it that much, I wait till the top wear. I buy one and put it down and wait till the top wear, then I buy it, I wear it. I saw me stay. I don't like uniform.
You crawl up in a blood clot bed. And you come and show about say, oh, me a show hotel room.
Yes, sir. Where you have America, where your furniture, them where you have under custody is $10,000. 10,000 or 10,000. America. Dollar is a dollar. I just tell you earlier on, my bed value over $500,000. Just over $500,000. 500,000 for it. You understand? Somebody can lift up my mattress. My bed base, somebody can lift it up. It have to have 2 years or 2 there so. To show you the quality. I don't know, like a plyboard. I don't know, like a pallet board. Or chicken yam out board. I mean, brag, I mean, both, but that's how me is, people. I prefer save my money and buy something of quality where will serve me for a century. More than take my money go buy something. I'll the same sitting 10 times for the year. Because me I buy non-quality things. That's how me is. And the whole owner must learn that. Save and buy quality for no money. In the long run, it save no cost no less. You understand? If I just search go and you have to buy inferior things, so be the case. But if you don't have to buy it, don't buy it. Wait till you can buy the quality. We are going to serve you 50, 30, 40 times longer than the inferior. Because when you check the amount of time you have to go buy that the inferior one day and check up the money, it's more than if you did buy one quality one and enough time at all we are watch the money and say, right, the inferior one costs 20,000 and that one they cost 50,000. So we're afraid to spend the 50,000. Spend the 50,000 because at the end of the day you buy the inferior for 20,000 before the year done. You have to go buy 5 more for sitting where you need, and that is 100,000, and that is 50,000 more than the 50 where you'd appear for the quality sitting. We are going to serve you 20 times longer.
I never show my bed yet. Who never show my bed?
Nobody never see your mattress yet. I already see foot hang off. Just your bed alone we see. Me never remember see your mattress or your bed base yet.
I show them. Them for social media blogger don't show who know. Me are the only person. Me are the only person used to come on social media and show my place before anybody start show them.
She lie. She lie or she lie, sir?
You are the only blogger who used to come and show.
You don't always be first.
Live in my bedroom. Oh, look how much time me show my full bed and show my bedroom when me spread up my night sheet and show everything. Use a liar pussy hole. I content here look. Every day you can go lick out that blood clot. That's all you can.
I better me lick out the woman one a yard more than year one. Cause year one, when you take off year one, you see all kind of sitting in the catches a wiggle so. I don't know if a worm, insect, roach, young rat, mice, ties, I don't know what. Maggots, I don't know what. But when you take off here and looking at the crutches, I saw you see worm a wiggle up. And because you can't stand for seat, you say you stop wear drawers. Because you're tired to see them because sitting there and wiggle up in the crutches. What it is, I don't know. Come tell the public. Not even gynecologists can help you.
About. Every day you sit down and wait for dirty shit up drawers there.
Not even gynecologists can help you.
Make it clear. People can come on social media and dash out US dollar and count out US dollar. They must know where they get it from.
Listen, bad mind.
People can't come and go with anything. Me not paying a restitution, boy. She must know the reason why she can't carry 12 people go to Somalia on her birthday and issue out 6,000 hard worth of US dollar and dash it out. I see I keep money. Not a
when you carry the same numbers as you say on your cruise, you should come out come say nothing about it? No. Because she not count you. She not count you. You not make up no numbers for her.
blood clot keep money. A charity pussy clot money that.
I don't keep money, a charity money. You're jealousy and bad mind. Grudgeful.
Nobody in a bomber clot idiot back here. She can't fool you and fool her audience. She can't blood clot fool me. Any money with a sugar mine. You can't fucking stay there. She have to carry them. Because them know all her secret to empty pussy clot too. Everybody where she pick, you should have tell her to come carry her blood clot, man.
True people have secret for you. You never carry no man, Gaya Gala. She fi carry man and you have man a hide and a muggle in a house with the foot palm shoulder, foot palm bed, foot in a lap and all kind of sitting. And you keep a big 58 gala and you couldn't come up front with your man. Eh? Cruise ship and you couldn't come up front with your man. So why you want she to come up front with your man? Are you a phone person, a social media person who expose your business in a phone? She's not that type and you never do it. So why she if you do it? Eh? Wingworm? Germs?
And that's if you can do. You think nobody an idiot around here? I don't think nobody can't fool me. She can't fool who, she can't fool me. I mean, I want to talk about she. We over there compare and talk about so she this and she that. And she spend money to carry people and me make people buy for them money. Yeah, realistically, that is it. The people have to buy for them money. I'm not paying no restitution money. I'm not paying no extortion money. I am not paying no hush puppy blood clot money. Everybody where she care about it, they know our business.
You see, because you know who you is. You know, you just don't know say people out there real like that and genuine like that. Especially to people who them see real and genuine to them. If people were real to people were not real. Why not real to people who are real to you?
So she have to carry them. She have to carry them. Nobody are not idiots. And I call up my name and I compare because I make a statement.
Because you fast everything the woman do, you're up in night.
They must say, look at that idiot.
You go say me and this and not a sanitary napkin for the woman. Then you are what?
Well, that America live like a blood clot.
Your mouth is like a lit. Every time she,
just no bitch
you catch it.
With the page right back and a fuckery. And I chat fuck about welfare. It's because uno get welfare make una clot.
Nah, see Kinmar. Her name spell Kimnar. Strat. Kimnar Strat. You know have nothing to go do. You know have nothing to go goggle. You know have nothing lollipop to go suck on. Go shop lock. Kimnar Strat. You me a chat.
I give her them things that people are idiots. And I both so she pay for people and pay for what? Pay for what? Not her money. Not her money, honey.
So you can't do it, you feel like everybody gonna be what the sack of you.
The money she collect in a charity, blood clot cake way. The money she collect from Miss Richie. And her friend them and people send it down and she have those US dollar. I won't change out so much blood clot US dollar. Figure carry with people. Me and a blood clot idiot.
Yeah, that dumbass here. The woman have been doing business for how many years? How many visitors from overseas come buy cakes with US dollar? How much people come and donate to people with US dollar and she might just give them back the equivalents in Jamaican dollar. She have a business that deal with US dollars. So you mean who will change out so much US dollar? She not have to change it out. Our business generate those US dollars. She never have to go to the bank or change it out when our business generate US dollar. You talk about content and you just want something to talk about, you know. Because Donna is talk about. So you want to talk about Donna. So you have to come with something to talk about her.
You have to change out so much US dollar for a US currency and how much exchange by exchange. You know how much money that? 6,500. And 6,500 she give away. We don't know how much you get to the pastor, man.
Him get 10 times that.
Know much, so you can't stay there. What kind of cake money? She make no what my fucking money figure in a US dollar in a cake. Who you think you're talking to? Eh? Who she can't fool? Not me. That girl not spend none of your money for carrying about.
Yes, my people, I have to shift because the sun come up on my foot. And like Marcia can't shift, she stuck up. Which part she there?
You see your Paula act like a Dan. Paula know all her business from A to Z. You have to kiss Paula ass. And then she have to give Paula $1,000 and give everybody else 500.
Why she give Paula 1,000 and give everybody else 500? Paula is the one who is the accountant and make sure everything go right where the money is concerned. So it's only fitting for she to get an extra. You understand? Oh, you figure? Where they call it now? Manager and supervisor, the same money. Two different roles. The supervisor might just respond to this little area. The manager responds to the area where the supervisor responds and the whole rest of the compound and business. Dumbass, are you all look content?
Yes, and Paula not even please.
You can't read people and you can't read yourself.
She's like she kissing Paula's.
How much time Donna about the Paula? Eh? How much time Donna and Paula in them little tanglings? But what? It's just business wise. The next minute they're good again.
Nobody can pop no style for me. You think nobody can fool me? And because I'm wiser than a blood clot boy. I don't know.
If what you are doing in life you call that wise. Moon wants to see somebody when not wise.
Oh, why she not got her family? She pretend like her family them love her. Me not have to pretend like my family them love me. My family them love me.
Move!
I can't get my family them anytime.
Move!
I can walk out of this blood clot here and get my family them anytime I want to get my family.
Yes, your family might just put you up because you're done a part of the family. But with your attitude is why you can't go there and don't want to go there. Because you know you're not going to have the freedom to do. You have a mind and as you have a free will. You understand? And this is why you don't want to go there. And that is the same reason why your family them not like you. Them not like you. And not physically them not like you. Them not like the ways where you carry on. In a social media. That them not like. Oh.
I never knew that.
Go to your family because you don't live nowhere, man. And use the money where you spend, do something better so you can help yourself.
Got family and left my business. And me must go far. How much hours drive? And me must have my business when me have to go pick up.
Yes, you can do it because your business not turn over nothing, man. Right now, living near to your business will cost you more than what your business will generate. And as I say, what kind of business? You understand? Your cost for the week is $1,000 and your business now generate $200. Now better you go on to North Carolina, man. You understand? And go recuperate and come again. Because your business not generate nothing. It will cost you $1,000 a week time. And you only make 2 bills close to your business. Go on to North Carolina, man. Go sit out and save the money there.
Clothes, one dirty blood clot girl I chat about. She have on the same clothes. Then me ask you a question, girl. Then you have bumbo pussy.
I don't lie. You're supposed to change your house dress every day. Why you having 100 house dress and living in one for one whole week? For the person where you is. It makes no sense. For the person where you is. Wanna be. You're supposed to change your house dress every day. You're not supposed to live in a no one. You understand? Simple as that.
Your mama never have a nightgown. Your mama never have a blood clot nightgown. Your mama, your...
Why you gonna have 100 house dress and live in a one? So what the sense you buy it for? You see why every day you prove say you're only wise and can give advice to other people, but you're not wise to yourself. You have 100 house gown where you take money by. Unless you're free, you get them through Salvation Army. And you live in a one, so why you buy so much? I don't feel like you can just come in a phone and chat and tell people anything and then believe.
Over here look though.
Yeah, man, your heart to look on the truth. When me come in, I come with proof, you know, because me I want proof, you have to show you, know, so much papers me show you a while ago, receipt, construction, receipt, for me place, see it?
Blind.
Yes.
If I'm so hard to look at, without makeup and wig, blind your blood clot self, so you don't pussy blood clot.
Right now, are your skeleton me no want to see. Moon want the opportunity to look through a microscope and put you in front of it and look on you and see your skeleton. Especially your face part, yeah, so. No, sir.
If you don't like me, don't come over here and look at me. All I want to know over the page there. If you don't like me, blind your blood clot. It be so hard to look on. And you can't come show me. No, and you can't come show me, said, your face is smooth and nice like mine.
Marcia, 80, 90, if not 100% of us take the best care of our face, especially females. You notice, a female hardly want you ramp with them face. You ramp it anywhere else. Especially worse when you know, like you want damage them. Ramp it down your so, but left your so. So it's nothing for somebody to take care of them face. You have a lot of people that take care of them face, but based on, you know, the nature of them skin and whatsoever, you know, it just be what it is. You show your face. So what about your belly? Why you never take care of your belly? What about your little handicap to them where you have? Why you never take care of them there? Why you never take care of them there? Why you not take care of the bad color you saw where you have on the wall of you saw? When I say look like black and blue, you say me say black and blue. Me don't say it look like when something black and blue. But a bad color like bad color. Why you never use all those expensive lotion that you have? Look on hand. Look pretty hand, girl. Look there. Girl, look there. 50 enough year old, you know. More than you know. More than you know, girl. Slime ball. Let the truck pass. Because me I raise up in a temper now. Slime ball. Look for my hand. Watch it. Look there. You see me I look like you, I mean I use no lotion. Because I don't use lotion because I don't want to feel, I don't like feel hot, and lotion is something that make you hot, especially in a country like our own. Move up, old germ slime ball.
And you have all your eyebrows. Otherwise...
Teeth, and you now show the teeth where the people them expose around you, so. All you have smile, I show them the implant where them say I don't know if I implant. But you should implant the jaw one where you around you, so too.
Look at some of them.
Where them expose the big dirty rat one around you, so. You and your friend T-Dog are the same thing. But you now pay them the teeth, they don't mind because through them round you, so. So you have it say them hide. But you come out and skin them on your front.
Go look for yourself.
Bow.
Jamaica fi balish a man like you.
Jamaica fi balish. Who the back story tell me? How is word name balish? Is it abolish you want to say? Come on people. Cheer me on. Is it abolish she want to say? Jamaica fi balish people like you. For a first world country like America, who need all of them boy pitney we born to come out as something good, that them make all the army accept them from at a tender age, so them can come out to something good, serve them country and whatsoever. And you're like a thiefing boy, not even rat thief, like not even mice, cause rat not so thief, and mice thief, you know, mice thief your hell. Not even mice thief like your boy. And him a born American and come out to be nothing at all. And American now want abolish man like him. Him not serve America no time.
I don't know who he is. But I don't know how some of the man them of Jamaica. The man of Jamaica not like me out there.
She gone back to the same thing what she said a couple years. About a year and ago. She wants some of her followers them and her some man do me this and do me that. You can't see that, Marcia. You're mad and so much broom they about. So much broom they about, you know. Me they have to own the broom them to get somebody to sweep the place, you know. Let me tell you something. Same like how you can stay up there and send. All you need to have a little thing can flick off and a man take the broom and sweep the place. You hear? Too much broom they about. So send who you want send come.
You know, have the bad man of Jamaica like for defend and
send a money come pay if you do it, man.
The bad me have no good up support a man support out there. You take a piece of plywood board and just box out in blood clot, eat them out the head. We chat too fucking much. You got batty boy there.
And a bamboo make my fence, you know, or pallet board, you know. My fence cast with steel, not just cement, steel in it. So if you feel like my fence easy to shake down, if my fence is easy to shake down, it shake down a long time. How are you, master? Know yourself and get a hold of yourself, germs.
A company here, look. Look at idiot supporters them. Some of them are there foreigners suffer like a blood clot dog.
Company here, look. Where?
They come and talk about,
if them even not suffer, them hold them own. Because you not see them come out in a phone and walk a beg like a you when not suffer. If you're not suffering, you're coming like leeches.
Me and her is not the same thing. She live a yard and me live abroad.
And you fi know that. You fi know that.
Different from here.
And that's why you should we are
She
head her, because in a first world country with so much
that
opportunities.
have nothing to do with me.
When she have to do her work 5 times harder
And I will say
to achieve and make things work
not
because
her
of the
fucking money
expense
when
and
she
the
spend
rate
on
of the
those
dollar.
people.
You don't have to do that.
No way. Not her money. That's charity money. Donation money.
You all jealous,
And I
bad
will
mind,
say it loud
corrupted.
and proud. Since you want to hear something now.
Hey, me glad you never get another month against 99, you know.
Donation money.
Yeah, man, you never get another month against 99. Actually, you don't know me glad. You want to tie up another bag there and hang up on that tree there for days.
Not a rascal, and she can't fool me.
You know what the woman can afford?
That girl don't
So you
spend
turn out to
none
be
of her money. She
worthless,
don't like to spend none of her money.
stagnant.
None whatsoever. Her money is to buy car, do other things, but charity money is to spend for other people. You can't sit on social media. It's only God could have come from heaven and me hear one voice in my ear soul and says her money. It's not her money.
You will never see that.
And we
God
all,
despise people like
know
Aunty.
that. We all know that. Nobody's not. Even if she don't be a cake for the season, maybe that's how much should have baked to make with her money.
People business you don't want to know, man. You're surprised, man. Remember when you say no cake now sell this year, you know, and she lose her followers and she lose her supporters. It's surprising, Tony. Oh, this year is the best. The best. Every year it get better and better and better. Wow! Leave them in tears. Leave them out of pain them.
You understand me? My life is free. Nobody can buy me. But what she do and this and that and whatever it is, I don't give a fuck.
I know that. You expect say Donna there go down a Montego Bay, two she say Montego Bay, and then you come out, Lord, I just be down the country. She can't take a trip one time for your birthday, and now the woman take a trip, and not only take a trip, carry her whole staff who support her during her baking season, that she could have earned the same money where she take a spend back on them. She show gratitude. You still have something to say. But if you don't call that amount, you don't energize, that name is like vitamin to nobody. That name is like Colgate to nobody. If you don't call that name on the mouth, can't open on the mouth, think with them the decay rotten teeth they won't have on the head in a first world country and can't take out. So you have to call that name.
If I want to stay wherever I want to stay, and talking about it's not my furniture. Then it's not like me can't leave it. Then if me want furniture, why would I walk out left 10,000 out of furniture in a house if me want furniture?
You don't walk out left for 10,000 worth of furniture. You force out. And the furniture the man a custody like prisoner. Right now if you want them the furniture you can't get them. A custody demander. Them they go give it to charity. Or probably go dumb because when them private ministry of health come in and check them furniture there and see the bacteria and all kind of germs you depend them the furniture and sitting there, them just carry them go dump them. And not just dump them, light them. Forget rid of the bacteria and germs you depend them. But you walk out, you force out and them locked up in custody in the house.
Eh? Batty boy, you name my house. Not yours. You're in your mama house. You don't have nothing for yourself. You're in your mama house.
People,
nothing not go on for your Jamaica.
I still read something to me and show me something, okay?
Page, 2 page, 3 page, and 4 page. Nothing not go on for you. You see me run,
3 page and 4 page. You have about 10 Facebook page. So nothing worse than not going for you and how long when something that you're supposed to that go on for you have them the page. I have 2 page. Yes, I have a backup page because I know how you people stay. So I have to have something that I can continue to voice my opinion. Voice my discuss with you.
I mean, I have a monetization page. Every day YouTube send me a message. And I tell me about my page.
I never want to hear a share for yourself.
Big up my lovely supporters. The fucking haters them, man. They used to depend on me for come on social media, come keep them company at night time and sing and dance and whatever and watch. And them now getting them go watch all one, no bitch ass Negro people. Oh, and she can't do karaoke, she not do this and whatever and so on. So I'm like, And she show paper, and she can't come out and show paper in front and back. I'm like, look at that little pussy ass boy. You can't show nothing. Tomorrow morning, come show me the land title for your house. Come show me a tax paper, them say a tax paper.
Marcia, look here, Marcia. Me know when me a show things, me not have to go and say, look, sit there and hide it. Look at Marcia. Look. Me carry it close to the screen. You can see Marcia? I'm going to read it for you, Marcia. Certificate of title under the Registration of Titles Act. The Ministry of Housing is now the property of an estate in fee simple subject to the incumbent notified in all that parcel of land, part of Toil in the parish of St. Andrew. Being the lot number plan of part of Toil aforesaid deposited in the office of the title on the 22nd day of April 1993. That's when this title take out, and this place is here for how long? Okay. Of the shape and dimension and button as appear by the said plan and being part of the land comprised in certificate of title registration at volume 403 The restrictive, well, me don't even have to read that. Let me go down further. Where name is concerned now. See there? I don't even have to call out no whole pan name. But I'm just going to show you my first name. Look there, sir. What you see right there, sir? Just look in between my fingers, people. And tell me what you want to see. When you can't see good, I want to show you, because I just don't want to expose. Yeah. Marcia. This is a title, Marcia. You don't know what this look like. So you would even know. Somebody will know you. I forgot to tell you, say this is a title. This is a land title, Marcia. With my name on it, Marcia. This is a land title, Marcia. So right this up, me shut you up. Me just show you how much receipt at the start of the video. Construction receipt, building material, budget supply, PW's choice hardware and construction, tools hardware, frost switch hardware, frost switch lighting and electrical. You name it. That receipt where you see there, rough check is over nearly 5 million or just over 5 million or just under $5 million with a construction material. And we not talk about labor costs yet. And you know you have building a place, you have electrician, you have plumber, you have carpenter, you have mason. Not to mention the man that do the fixtures, windows, kitchen cupboards. Okay? And when the part of the house is done built during the period of time there, nothing in it. The only thing in the hole in the washroom or the washing machine. Are the only thing that all. Everything brand new, girl. Me a sufferer. Me not have nothing in life. Me a pauper. But me have ambition. Alright? Yes, man. That's how it Marcia. So, Marcia, you talk me if you come out and bring. See me come out, come bring there. Come out, come beat me and do something now.
And everything pure for 2023. And that if you can do. Come
make sure the place where you rent.
For your land time.
Where you say you should go and talk.
I should have capture land.
See it? Land title this.
Paper for your mama land where they pan. Come show me the tax paper for 2023.
Land title this. If you even have tax paper as a tooth, you don't have to pay tax 2023. You can't go pay all 5 years with a tax in a one, 10 years with a tax in a one. Look at you. You don't know about Jamaica? This is a land title, Marcia.
It no matter what you do, you can't please this man. You never please this man.
Marcia, you know what me want you do? You say you don't want to live in a black community. Me want buy, you see when winter done, make sure you get somewhere. Because you say winter make you do this because you don't want to look no way in a winter. You don't want to move in a winter. Me can't wait for winter done. Because when winter done, me want you to get somewhere in a white community. And make sure you don't come with no co-sign documents. Although me know nobody now run no risk because them know who you is. And your record no good so them now make you mash up for them one. And come show we. Yes man. That me want you do. Say I come and show you my documentation. I mean I hide nothing on the pancita and I hide it and I take it. Oh, if you show somebody something and you hide it. I saw you show people things. See there? Yes, you might not want to show certain details, but you can come up and show. See there? Look up here some people. Serve a ticket of title. See it? Alright. So, Marcia, do that and beat me. You know we are chat to Marcia? Ambitious boy this year talk to. All I would never believe in me. Because I'm not running a thing and rushing a thing. I take my time to achieve whatsoever I can achieve by the help of the Father. If the Father say I'm ready, I'm ready. If him say you have to wait, I just wait. Wait my turn, because I now make no part of me burn, Marcia. Like how your son make all part-time a burn.
Then now go please. What am I supposed to be unhappy about?
Whole heap of things in a life you're supposed to be unhappy
tomorrow,
about.
Since as you are talking about white towel tomorrow, may not have no white towel tomorrow. It look like you want to be employed by her. Why don't you go be the pad under her pussy when she has a period?
Who don't want to be employed by 99? Eh? Who don't want to be employed by 99? But me can't employ you. For a boy when I have nothing, me have staff at 10, 15 already. For a boy when I have nothing. You understand? So you try understand that. Me can't employ you right now. Bear. Come here, Bear. Come here. Come. Up, up. Up. Bear. Would you want Marcia to wash your balls? Now! Bear say I don't want your fever washing balls and that mother hire for. Alright, Bear.
People.
Marcia, I live in Jamaica and suffer. I can't tell you I value more than you.
Huh?
I live in Jamaica.
I saw no look up blood clot dead dick man come past.
Me not born in nothing, you know. Ambition me have. And God bless me for have a little way me have. And me never have it in a long time. But through my ambition, the time when God say I'm ready for me, me make use of it.
How much pitney you have?
Not even a your throat, money drop my dicky. Not even a your throat. Because guess what, me know? You're full of allergy. Every minute you're gonna turn me off. So not even in your throat, it would have drop.
Get blood clot that other man pitney then give you. You can't breathe nobody. Let me see your pitney if you look like you. You can't tell. Blood clot jacket.
When you see my pitney, them you see me. When you see my pitney, Master, I'm letting you know a secret. I wonder who are going to watch a video where I don't want to know. Jesus, peace. People are going to watch a video where I don't want to know, you know. Master, you know, say at 50 at year old, me a baby born February. Yes, man. Me decide say me a go for me boy now, because my name have to carry on. Because me a go retire now when time me get the boy, you know. You know, say March, me a baby born, Marcia. Marcia. March at 50 at the year old, me a baby born. Look at you. Move!
Dick is so fucking little bit, you can no sperm no in there. And you watch you man too much. A blood clot.
You know, say if you did tannable, would have shower you. Yes, man. If you did tannable, you say no in it. If you did tannable, probably would have half of you. Pay if you give you a chip and make you come down, and me turn on the pipe yeah, the little pipe yeah, and shower you. Because this too good for go in you. As me say, not even down in you, I don't want it go. People, sorry here, but me have to deal with that.
Woman feeling you have. You know, bring the pity photo. You can't breathe no man. Boy, you have data. Data me blood clot. Never go see you do a pity if you ugly like you. I must.
Master, I now come tell us my pity them pretty, you know. But they're not going to further in the video. I now come tell us my pity them pretty. Like how you come and talk about CJ. CJ favor Ryan Nazarus. CJ favor one squid. Who knows squid? Yeah, I saw CJ look like a squid. Me not gonna further in the video, people. I feel like me doing enough here. Speak my mind, people. A little part left out of me, really want to run, but the video run too tall. Thanks for watching. Bless upon yourself. Do they do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Remember the backup channel. Tomorrow, festive Sunday. Bless up. Who not subscribe yet? Subscribe to the channel. Life is a Mission TV. Out.